Hi everyone! Welcome back to English. Fact Show today, we'll learn how to introduce ourselves in English in a simple and natural way.
Yes, this is one of the most common questions you'll hear in any conversation. Tell me about yourself. So let's practice together.
Emma, let's start with your name and where you're from. For example, my name is Emma, I'm from the United States.
Alex. Or, hi, I'm Alex and I come from Canada. Easy, right? You can also say, I was born in, or I live in.
Emma. Next, talk about what you do. If you work, say, I'm a teacher, or I work in a bank. If you're a student, you can say, I'm a student. I study computer science.
Alex. That's right. You can also add a little detail. I'm a student at Greenfield University. Or, I work as a nurse in a hospital.
Emma. Now let's talk about your family. You can say, there are 4 people in my family, my parents, my sister, and me. Or I have a younger brother and a cat.
Alex. That's perfect. You don't need to say too much. Just keep it simple and clear.
Emma, finally talk about your hobbies or what you like to do. For example, I love reading books and watching movies. Or in my free time, I like playing football and listening to music.
Alex. You can also mention dislikes. I don't like waking up early. Or I'm not a big fan of spicy food. Practice example.
Emma, let's put it all together.
Alex. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I'm a student and I study business. There are 5 people in my family. In my free time, I love playing guitar and going for walks.
Emma, great job. That's how you can introduce yourself easily in English. Emma, that's all for today's lesson. Don't forget to practice your own introduction in the comments.
Alex. And subscribe to English. Fact Show for more easy English lessons.
Emma, see you next time. Bye.